Pardon to mention, my lord, IA has been filed for extension of surrender date. The surrender date is on Sunday 25th, my lord, this Sunday, my lord.
Give me.
My lord, this Sunday.
Tied up matter, fresh admission.
Tied up matter. My lord, this Sunday. This Sunday, my lord.
Yes, it will come. It will come. Where is it?
Bail application. Petitioner custody is in 17/9/22.
No, it's a tied up matter.
No, Lord.
Then why are you mentioning here? If it has been earlier rejected by me, then it will come. Otherwise, it.
Yes, sir. Yes, Lordship.
Then you file it.
My lord, I filed bail application 10272/23 on 8th September 2023, but it is not listed in the list.
Is it a tied up matter?
Yes, my lord.
Earlier
Yes,
rejected by me.
Rejected, once rejected.
Okay, okay. What is the number once again?
10272/23.
Okay, okay. Note it down, it will come.
Yes, my lord.
Supplemental list, item number 1.
Extended.
Item 2.
Yes, extended.
Item 3.
Matter may be taken up 3 chapter. I am arranging property. Okay, as prayed for by Mr. Mahanti, Land Counsel, for the petitioner. In this order is to be passed in IE. Is this matter 3 weeks after?
Item 4.
My lord, I am for the petition.
So, guys, the last order.
The submission was made that the informant is dead. Whether it is correct?
Informant, Mr. Malik was
Mr.
because Sahab has earlier.
Mahapatra, Mr. Da. Whether the informant is dead. He made a submission. Informant name is Ramakanta Boral.
Ramakanta Boral. Perhaps he is dead.
Dead, my lord.
Dead.
My lord, dead. I am appearing for the brother of the informant. I have some illness, my lord.
It's all right.
Throat infection is there.
Ramakanta Boral is dead or not? That I want to know.
Dead, my lord.
Okay, it's all right.
Item 4, my lord.
Yes, item number 4. I'll hear you just one. Likhundu. Land Council for the informant's brother submitted appearing through virtual mode Mr. Rakesh Kumar Malik. The informant Ramakant Baral is dead. Okay. So the last occasion, Mr. Das, perhaps he claimed parity on the ground that some of the co-accused persons were granted bail.
Reporting as the Lalit and Mala is concerned.
Lalit and
Mala. My lord's order dated
1/2/24.
1/2/2024.
passed in BLAPL 8721.
Yeah, just a minute. BLAPL number
8721
8721
2023
23
along with BLAPL number 12119
12119 of
2022
22
passed on 1/2/2024.
1/2/2024.
Well.
So in respect of this Lalit and Malay, they have been granted bail.
Well.
And you say that this petitioner stands on this similar footing.
Well.
So what is the period of custody?
Custody from 5/1/2021.
5/1/21. So what is those two orders that
Yes.
in which the co-accused persons were granted bail? That is Lalit and Malay. One, Lalit was in custody since 5/1/21. You are also 5/1. Malay was in custody 22/1/2021. Okay. And the submission was made that out of 59 charge sheet witnesses, 31 witnesses examined. IO is the last witness whose examination is going on. Rest of the witnesses have been declined. And there are no eyewitnesses to the occurrence. Case rests upon oral dying declaration made before sworn show in ambulance, and in which both the deceased were shifted to the hospital. In view of the critical condition of sworn show, it's difficult to submitted that at this stage there is no chance of it. Witnesses to the dying declaration of name the petitioners.
There is another piece of material just before the occurrence. There is a criminal conspiracy, and some of the accused persons are party to that criminal conspiracy. That is PW 13, my lord. If my lord possesses that deposition.
Criminal conspiracy. PW 13.
My lord.
What is the evidence copy, Mr. And in that criminal conspiracy part, whether
one of the petitioner to whom my lord was released, he was also
who is that man?
Malay.
Okay.
No. Lalit Mohan Barat. Lalit Mohan Barat.
Oh, Lalit was present in that conspiracy.
Oh, Lalit, not
Yes,
Malay.
ma'am. Yes.
So that is the only difference you are pointing out.
And so far the other factual aspect is concerned, your lordships observed that IO was in process of examination. In the main period, the IO has already been cross-examined and discharged, and the case is posted to coming Monday for recording of the accused statement. These are the factual difference.
Okay. Mr. Malik, what do you want to say?
My lord, as the earlier, we have appeared and objected the application of bail, my lord. But in the last occasion, while the lordship granting the bail, only observing the dying declaration with regard to as you are not well to adduce the dying declaration.
No, that was the submission made. It's not that I have held that he was not. It
that
was
is their
submission made on that. That is how I have recorded.
Yes,
I think that is the submission.
Yes, your
It's
lordship.
not that it is my observation.
Yes,
and lastly, your lordship observed that the expressing without.
Detailed documentation of the merits of the case is to be all these things have. That was his submission. Just noted down.
The dying declaration is not only in the vehicle. Just before reaching of the vehicle, my lord, the dying declaration in the spot, my lord.
Okay, that is to be decided by the London trial court. Mr. Malik, I have not stated anything.
And by the petitioner also, the informant,
the
brother also challenged the order.
Otherwise, those are to be considered at the appropriate stage. Who am I at consideration of the bail application to say so?
My lord, your lordship's order is challenged before the Honorable Apex Court by the brother of the informant, my lord, by e-filing the EC SCIN 01 public 05997 of 24, my lord. That is also pending before the Honorable Apex Court, my lord.
All right. That's pending. If any order is passed, it's all right. Lekon, are the learned counsel for the petitioner here? It is sole petitioner. Okay, and learned counsel for the
another another is also there. Second item.
Second.
Bhikari Charan Sai, he also stands.
Same putting my same. I am inside custody 6/1/20.
6/1. Okay.
See 5/1.
I am in custody in 5/1/21. 10 days I have
common order kar deve.
10 days
all right. The learned counsel for the petitioner appearing in BLAPL number 9518 of 2022, namely that is Khitish Kumar Acharya, submitted that the petitioner Khitish Kumar Acharya is in judicial custody, was taken into judicial custody in connection with this case on 5/1/2021, and except grant of he was released on interim bail for a period of 10 days, na? 10 days. And in the trial court, the prosecution case is closed and the case is placed now for accused statement. And similarly situated co-accused persons, namely Lalit Mohan Baral and Malay Kumar Bari, have been released on bail by the by order dated 1/2/2024 by this court by order dated so and so in BLAPL number 8721 of 23 and BLAPL number 12119 of 2022 respectively. It is further argued that the case rests mainly on oral dying declaration stated to have been made before PWs 7, 8, 9 at the spot and PWs 10 and 11 in the ambulance in which both the deceased were shifted to the hospital. Land Council further submits that since there is no chance of tampering with the evidence at this stage, and they are local people, and the petitioners are permanent resident of their respective villages, the bail applications may be favorably considered. Land Council for the state, so also Land Council for the you are for the informant,
Yes, sir.
informant. So also Land Council appearing for the brother of the informant opposed the prayer for bail and submitted that apart from dying declaration, oral dying declaration, there is material against petitioners, both the petitioners about this criminal conspiracy.
Yes, sir.
There is material of criminal conspiracy against both the petitioners as deposed to by PW 13. The Land Council, however, for the petitioners, however, submitted that similar material regarding criminal conspiracy is also against co-accused Lalit Mohan Baral, who has been granted bail. Considering the submission made by the Land Council for the respective parties, the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, the stage of the trial, and absence of any chance of tampering with the evidence, and since the petitioners are local person, and further taking into account the release of the co-accused persons on bail, I am inclined to release the petitioners on bail subject to condition that they shall appear before the London trial court on each date, and the case would be posted for trial, and they shall not indulge in any criminal activities and shall not violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of it.
Item 5.
Please, my lordship.
My lord may observe that this bail order should not be influenced to the trial court.
Bail
As
order?
earlier your lordship should not influence to the trial court.
No,
While
no, no.
adjudicating the-
I'm not observing anything except that. Yes.
My lordship asked for the antecedent and address to verification of the last appraisal.
Yeah. What order was passed last time?
Regarding the
Last-
verification of the address, my lord.
Address to
The
verification.
address of the petitioner. So it was
Yes, ma'am.
verified.
Verified.
It is
Correct.
found to be correct. Okay. Now, so you are to provide the local sureties documents to the state council.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And antecedent also called for, no antecedent.
No
The
antecedent.
Land Council for the state has produced a written instruction received from Superintendent of Police Rayagada. So also IIC Padmampur Police Station, wherein it is indicated that the address furnished by the petitioner Pannalal Yadav in the cause title is correct, and moreover there is no criminal antecedent against the petitioner. Let the learned counsel for the petitioner supply the names, address, and documents of two local sureties who are interested to take the petitioner on bail, on receipt of which, like usual, order to be passed. All right, supply it, it will come after 2 weeks.
Yes, my lords.
Item 6.
Yeah, that's a please pass over.
No, Passover, it's not. It will come next week if next week or then. What is this extension of time? Why are you seeking Passover? You want to surrender. You just want extension of. I'm granting you. Why Passover? Yes, extension allowed. Date go to fix up for the by end of March 2024. Yes, I had disposed of.
Item 7.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes. Yes.
Here the petition is in custody, my lord, since 6/9/2020. The allegation that he, along with some others, my lord, were
Is
carrying.
it the first application or earlier rejected?
No, and it's the first application.
Okay, so what is the date of custody?
Yes, my lord. It was earlier in BLAPL number 5014 of 2021, and there the application was withdrawn by order dated 12/8/2022.
Authority number ta kon? BLAPL number?
Annex 55, annex that order.
You are
Last occasion, my lord, directed to obtain the verification, address verification, and also they will submit the CUTs and they will verify.
Let us see that.
Your lordship also see your lordship's last order.
Submit as for the order that he is to receive instructions from to provide local. Okay, what happened?
I have not received it.
Next week, Kariba?
Last
Friday?
Your lordship may kindly see your lordship's last order, where your lordship has given them a last chance for say hearing.
Week of PFG.
August master again instruction by ବିଭିନ୍ନ time ନେଇଛି your lordship has therefore your
Not
lordship has
further
given them last
adjournment,
chance.
Mr.
My lord.
So,
Maybe next week.
okay.
ଦେଇ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛୁ ଗଲାଥର ଇନ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଦାଖଲ କରୁଥିଲୁ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ କହିଲେ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉଥରେ ଦେଲୁ. Lordship remarks in the court, open court we served once again. Therefore, your lordship has passed the order as last chance.
On the କୁହନ୍ତୁ ମତେ
Yes.
ପୁଣି ଲେଖା ହବ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡାକ ଯେ
ଆମେ ଦେଇଦେବାର କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଠି କୋର୍ଟରେ ଥରେ ଦେଇଛି.
Okay. So I'm just bringing it on 1st of March 2020. Put up this matter. Ask for it for
After March 1, I have some problem, my lord. I have relations, marriage.
Then it will come 8 तारीख तो छुट्टी अछि.
May I pray, my lord, since in view of his long period in custody, also may release him for 2 to 3 months.
No. But just it is to be verified formally that these things. Let him bring it. If are you available on week commencing from 4th March?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let it be on 4th March. Okay.
Again, they could last chance.
No, 4th March. The learned counsel for the state seeks some time for obtaining instruction as per order dated 9/2/2024. Mr. Dharendra Naik, learned senior advocate, opposed to prayer for adjournment on the ground that already it is observed in the said order that no further adjournment shall be granted to the land council for the state. Be that as it may, put up this matter on 4th of March 2024 for orders. No further adjournment. The author लिखी दिया. Yes.
Item 8.
Extension allowed.
Item 9.
Lordship, I'm serving another copy
What copy?
of the bailor's surety.
Okay. Learned counsel for the petitioner supplied the documents of the two local sureties to the petitioners, to the learned counsel for the state. Let the learned counsel for the state verify the same to the concerned IIC, foot of this matter, and we come and see what a date these on to. Yes.
Partly,
Sonala?
at least supplied, they will supply.
Give your authorization again, it will be adjourned. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Item 10,
9.
item 9,
May I please, Your Lordship? On the last one, Lordship called for a status report from the
9 पर गला उड़ा ओह अच्छा ओह yes, item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship? On the last occasion, Lordship called for a status report from the learned trial court. How many witnesses have examined, Your Lordship?
Okay, it has come
Status report at flag Q.
and it is reported by the London trial court that 16 witnesses, including the informant, have been examined out of 23 witnesses, and summons have been issued to the rest of the witnesses through IIC. So, what is this offense is here?
Charge sheet submitted under section 21C, 25, 29 of NDPS Act, Your Lordship.
So,
One of the co-accused, Lordship, grant 3 months interim bail on same putting, Your
no,
Lordship.
you are in custody since when?
8/11/2020, Your Lordship.
8/11.
2020.
You are never granted interim bail.
No, Your Lordship.
You are a local man.
Yes, Your Lordship. Local man from district Puri.
Okay. What about the CA, Mr.
CA I have filed a comprehensive affidavit, Your Lordship, at flag M, Your Lordship.
So how many cases you have got?
For apart from 3 cases.
What type of cases, sir?
One similar in nature and
No,
another
no, then cannot get bail.
is kindly consider
That
the
is
custody.
another commercial quantity, and you are
Kindly consider the custody period, Your Lordship.
no. That is applicable to the other persons who are having no criminal antecedent. You are having one criminal antecedent of commercial quantity, again you are indulged, and that case was also year of 2020. That must be pending also against you. 2020 you are booked in a and again that case number is Kumbharpada PS case number sorry
210.
Baseli side.
Baseli side 258 of 2020.
258 of 2020, and this is Kumbharpada PS case number. So your area of operation is within that Puri district. Kumbharpada, Baseli.
The very old man, Lordship, I'm praying for some interim relief, Your Lordship. They consider the custody period.
I'm directing for expeditious disposal. Peruse the status report submitted by the London trial court dated 16/2/2024, from which it reveals that out of 23 charge sheet witnesses, 16 witnesses have already been examined, and summons have been issued to the rest of the witnesses through IIC Kumbharpada police station for their examination. It is submitted by the London Council for the petitioner that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 8/11/2020, and in view of the slow progress of the trial, the petitioner's bail application may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state, however, has drawn attention of this court that there are as many as 3 criminal antecedents against the petitioner, including one under section 21C and 29 of the NDPS Act.
If we'll go to the affidavit, my lord, that is Basel one case is there. As per our report, also another case of Kumarpada is there also NDPS.
That number
three
is,
cases.
number is different.
Number is different.
Okay. And Basel PS case number 258 of 2020 and out account number
It is Kumarpada case number 210.
Kumbharpada PS case number 210 of
2020.
2020. 8 अन्वय था उसी टाइम.
नहीं, এটা তো 304
अच्छा. Stop. In view of the submission made by the Learned Counsel for the state, since there are 2 other cases of under NDPS Act of commercial quantity, of seizure of commercial quantity of contraband articles from possession of the petitioner is sub judice against the petitioner with the bar under section 37 of the NDPS Act. While not inclining to release the petitioner on bail, I direct the Learned Trial Court to expedite the trial and conclude the same within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of the order. Petitioner is at liberty to renew the prayer for bail if the trial is not concluded within the aforesaid period. Yes, next.
Item 10.
In this case, the petitioner has been charge sheeted under section 147, 148, 302, 307, 149 IPC.
You have got the case diary?
Charge sheet has already been filed in this case.
No, I have not received.
So offense is 302.
Yes, my lord.
Earlier bail application was rejected.
Earlier rejected. And
number?
182 of 2022. Earlier bail application was rejected. Bail application number 182 of 2022. And it was dispatched on 6th of July 2022, directed that within 8 months trial will be concluded.
6th July 2022.
Yes.
6th July 22.
So the time limit that was fixed is for 8 months.
Yes, 8 months.
Okay.
But
now what is the status?
Status was called for.
No witness has been examined till yet.
Okay, just let me see. Yes, it is. It has been splitted off perhaps against you. This man is Gobind Nag alias Pritam Nag. Right. The other person, some persons are absconders. NBW was issued and then it was splitted off. Now, and it is mentioned that out of 36 charge sheet witness, not a single witness has been examined. Right. He is right. However, charge has been framed against Gobind Nag and 5 others on 4/8/2022. Okay. So, you are in custody since when, Mr. Counsel?
Hello?
Since when you are in custody, judicial custody?
I am in 30th of December 2022. 2020.
30th of December 2020.
Yes, my lord.
So I'm granting him interim bail. What is to be done? Or the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. V. Panda.
Vidyadhar Panda.
Huh?
Vidyadhar Panda.
Mr. Vidyadhar Panda, Learned Counsel appearing through virtual High Court Sambalpur. Learned Counsel submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 30/12/2020 and he has been charge sheeted under section 147, 148 302, 307, 149 of the Indian Penal Code. When the petitioner earlier approached this court for bail in BLAPL number 182 of 2022, while rejecting the bail application as per order dated 6/7/2022, this court directed the London Trial Court to conclude the trial within a period of 8 months. He submits that till date, not a single witness has been examined in the trial court. When a submission was made in that respect, the status report was called for, and the London Trial Court has reported that charge was framed on 4/8/2022, and there are 36 charge sheet witnesses in the case, but not a single witness has been examined. Considering the submission made by the London Council for the respective parties, in view of the delayed disposal of the trial, and since the order passed by this court in the earlier bail application has not been complied with, taking into account the period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, I am inclined to release him on interim bail for a period of 3 months from the date of release, with condition that he shall appear before the London Trial Court on each date when the case would be posted for trial, and he shall not indulge in any criminal activities or try to tamper with the evidence. Violation of any terms and conditions shall entail cancellation of bail. Yes, disposed on.
Item 11.
Yes.
My lord, in item number 11, my lord has posted it for only to verify there is 395 is there or not in charge sheet.
Wait.
IAFL case.
Some persons have been granted bail in
Yes,
this
my lord.
case.
All Nilima and
No, in this particular case, because there are three to two
yes,
cases.
other
So,
two was allowed.
এই case रे
Okay.
जोमाने जाइछन्ति, who are they?
Nilima?
Have you got the bail order copies?
No, my lord.
And this man is in judicial custody since when?
Since arrest was 30th 11/2020 and 30/11/2020 ରୁ ଆରେଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି 1st ଡିସେମ୍ବର 2020 ରୁ
1/12/2020
yes,
you are in judicial custody,
yes,
right?
my lord.
So now you said that some of the co-accused persons have been granted bail.
Yes, my lord.
So have you got those copy? Every order has been nowadays uploaded. So why are you not bringing it, downloading it, and so how can I know that who are those accused persons?
My lord,
On what ground they have been released
on
on
bail number 31.
Why are you not using your this is available in bar also, it is available. Just apply and get it. That bail order. We take up this matter next Friday. Okay.
Just a second, my lord. I will provide that. Today,
It will come next Friday. Okay. If you have got the number, please supply to the order
yes, my
copy.
lord.
Supply to the State Council so that he will verify whether you are standing on the same footing or not. Okay. Look on. The London Council for the petitioner submitted that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 1/12/2020. and some of the co-accused persons similarly situated have been released on bail, and you will supply the bail order copy to the Land Council for the state. Let the Land Council for the state, on being supplied with the bail order copy, examine the claim of parity put up this matter on 1st of March 2022.
My appearance may be recorded.
Mr. Chaudhary, Land Council for the bank, na?
Yes, ma'am.
For the bank is present.
Who bless?
Item 12.
My lord, made
May I please your lordship?
Basis of Manogi?
Yeah.
Basis of Ghana?
No.
Ah.
Your lordship, have a glance to the last order passed by my lord. One of the co-accused bail application was considered by my lord, and I filed all the evidence copy along with the order of that. And your lordship directed to verify whether he is situated similarly or not.
That Dilip Kumar Sharma, who has been granted bail in BLA.
Entire case is circumstantial evidence.
And since when you are in custody? 14/3/2021. And what are the offences under which charge is submitted?
302, 120B, 34.
302, 120B, 34 IPC. So, Mr. Das, so you are to verify as per the order dated 1/2/2024 whether the petitioner is similarly situated like co-accused Dilip Kumar Sharma or not, who has been granted bail on 19/12/2020.
ସେ ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ଲୋକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ତାର dispute ଥିଲା, land dispute ଥିଲା, and that Dilip Kumar Sharma created problem and he threatened.
And it's a case, there is no eyewitness case.
No eyewitness, circumstances. So far the circumstances against the present petitioner is that there is a previous land dispute.
Okay.
That's all. And even if till today, my lord, though IO has been examined, there is no out of evidence who actually assaulted the deceased resulting the death. ये 120B ଭିତରେ ଆମକୁ ପୁରେଇଛନ୍ତି. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀପ ତ ଯାହା ଅଛି ସେ I have examined entire thing.
Part the learned Mr. Sovachan Mahapatra, learned senior advocate appearing for the petition, submits that the petitioner is in judicial custody since 14/3/2021. And there is no direct evidence in this case. Case is based on circumstantial evidence, and the main material against the petitioner is the previous land dispute with the deceased. And except the investigating officer, all the witnesses.
No, ସେ examine ହେଇଗଲା. ଖାଲି recall କରିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ MO mark.
The evidence of the prosecution is closed. Has been completed. Recording of the prosecution witnesses has been completed. However, application has been filed under section 311 CRPC to recall some witnesses.
One of the IO to mark.
One of the investigating officer for further cross-examination, or by the defense or by the prosecution by prosecution for examination. He submitted further that similarly situated co-accused, namely Dilip Kumar Sharma, has been released on bail as per order dated 19/12/2023 in BLAPL number 3438 of 2023, and therefore the bail application of the petitioner may be favorably considered. Learned counsel for the state was earlier supplied with the deposition copies of the witnesses, and after verification of the same, he fairly submits that the petitioner is similarly situated like the co-accused Dilip Kumar Sharma. Considering the submission by the learned counsel for the respective parties, nature of evidence adduced so far in the trial court, period of detention of the petitioner in judicial custody, release of the co-accused on bail, I am inclined to reconsider. Reconsider the prayer for bail, and this is the third application of the petitioner. I am inclined to reconsider the prayer for bail and direct the petitioner to be released on bail. Usual condition, you will appear before this one. So yes.
Item 15.
May I please also? The Lordship may kindly see the order dated I-124. The report was called for whether
what report?
82, 83 has been complied on.
What is the report?
The report I have not received, my lord.
Get the report. Interim order is there. It will continue. Put up this matter. Land counsel for the state submits that he is yet to receive the report. Order. Report regarding issuance of processes under section 82 and 83 CRPC against the petitioner. And the matter may be taken up next week. Put up this matter on the 1st March 2024. Interim order. Huh?
7 तारिख आड़े करथिले मो सर्टिफाइड कॉपी भी मगै छी ना
Okay, 7th March 2024. Interim order dated so and so is extended to the next date.